coming to you live with Mud Dog Customs. Show you some of this right here. On my shorts, I showed you where we were adding metal right here because it was rusty. Somebody had patched it before with a little strip of galvanized, but it wasn't good enough. So we come back and patched this right here. Had to bend the metal and scab a couple pieces together. Got it all welded solid. Seam sealed where this piece touches that piece. We just spot welded it down through there. Got seam sealed all the way around it, just in case there's any pinholes. I'll show you the bottom. We're going to add the rocker panel in. See if I can get a good view down here. Got the seam sealed all around it. We're going to shoot it with some body undercoating or probably some Rust-Oleum paint. That body, the undercoating is porous. This is what they had. And that hack patch. Whoo, Lord. Whenever you patch one, cut the excess metal out of it. Because you welded it all the way back to here. I'd have cut all that out. Man, it just didn't come back to haunt you. Yeah, we getting all that cut out and done right. Yep. The back ones look pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna take the grinder and grind that wheel down so it'll look good and uniform. Grind that bead down a little bit. Not too much of it, but grind some of it down, then we'll spray paint on it. Yep. I just want to bring you to that. Oh, and show you this stuff right now. So that's what I like to use, Ospro. It converts rust to a primer. But back here, it's got some surface rust. No pinholes yet. But we're gonna spray that with Ospro and kill that rust, and then put the cab corner back on it. And the day before, yesterday, Saturday I think, had a dent back here, pulled the dent out, and with this right here, you can tell how much of a dent you still got. Got it within a 1/8 of an inch, and rub a skim coat of Bondo over it. Got to pull the bumper off, and then I can make that look a lot better. That and that. You see where the bumper got into it. Yeah, man. Gonna get it painted and send it to Richmond, Virginia. Davis Automotive. Y'all ain't checked him out, check him out. He's a square body man. They got square bodies left and right, and they do it like I like it. 40-inch boggers. Come on. 44-inch boggers. That's how I like to roll. I got this one kind of little. People around here don't want them too big. I was trying to build it and sell it. So, yep. Y'all like, subscribe. Tell me what you think about it. And he made a suggestion. And I was torn between solid color and two-tone. I'm not a two-tone guy, but he said that black and silver, two-tone. He said, man, them sell. So we're going to paint it two-tone and send it on up to Richmond, Virginia. Y'all like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you think. Later.